Akra is a Haitian appetizer made with a hairy-looking tropical root vegetable called malanga. In English, they are called eddo root. This root vegetable, originally from China and Japan, is used just like other root vegetables like potatoes and yams. It can be boiled, baked, grated, and fried. And today we're going to grate it, season it, and fry it into a delicious appetizer and delicacy called Akra. Mes amis, bouche mwen komanse koule de l'eau la. Now, in Haitian culture, Akra is usually served at christenings, baptisms, communions, and parties. But they are so delicious that I make them often because they are absolutely fabulous. Akra, let me tell you, deserves 2 snaps and a twist, okay? And I always pair them with some pickles. This is our mise en place for the Akra, les ingrédients. Now, anytime you hear me say the words mise en place, it is French for putting everything in place. It is the gathering of our ingredients before we actually start cooking. Now, we have here 1 pound of eddo root. After you peel them, you want to wash them and be careful when cutting because they are slightly slippery. Next, we have here half a green onion, 1 tablespoon of cilantro leaves, 1/4 of scotch pepper bonnet. Now this is optional if you want your Akra a little spicy like me. This pepper is the chili of the Caribbean, so do not substitute because we're going for authenticity here, okay? Next we have here 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of orange juice. Now, if you have access to bitter sour oranges or zoransu in your area, go for 2 tablespoons of it. I combine the lime and the orange juice to create that sour orange flavor. Next, we have here half an egg, or you can do 1 egg white. We have here 1 tablespoon of epis. Epis can be found in my video library entitled Haitian Kitchen Staples. This is 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and of course we can adjust the seasoning before we fry. We have here half a teaspoon of maggi, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or epis flour, and we're going to use about 2 cups of this peanut oil for frying. All right, let's go. When frying Akra, you want to make sure your oil temperature is between 350 and 360, and we're just about there, okay? Here we go.